Good morning, Mr. Jones Social Studies students. Before I show you what I want you to do for today's work, I just want to throw this out there and I'll post this as well. I kind of miss seeing you guys. I want to check in with you and make sure everybody's doing okay. So, what I'm thinking about is Wednesday, and I'll post a time for certain, but I'm thinking about doing a Google Meet. That's just sort of like an online meeting, and it's already installed on your computer. So I'm thinking about posting the link to that, and then let's say like 10 o'clock Wednesday morning. Whoever wants to check in and say hi and ask any questions that they need to ask, I'll try to answer everything that I know how to answer. So I'm going to post that on there on all the Google Classrooms. And anybody that's one of my students, if they want to check in Wednesday at 10 a.m., I think I'll be available to do that for a little while. Okay, so just trying to like let you guys know that up front. So today's assignment is just a very straightforward reading assignment. Okay, you'll do this in Kami. Okay, so when you click on the assignment, it's called Emancipation Proclamation. Okay, and you guys watched a little bit about that on Friday. Try not to give you the reading without giving you some background on it first. Okay, so when you open it up, I've already done a little bit of work. I've highlighted some things that you need to pay attention to. Okay, as you can see, I've got large font, double spaced, so this actually takes up quite a bit more space than it really is reading because of how large it is. Okay, so you scroll down here. And as you can see, each question has a different highlight to it. Okay. So what you want to do is particularly match up the color of the highlighting in the reading to the color of the highlighting in the text. That's going to help you find that answer. Okay. And then you just use the markup feature right here. And I don't care what color you use to highlight, but just highlight the correct answer. Now, number 5 and number 6 want a short answer, okay? And they kind of ran into a different page here. I don't know why they did that like that, but they just did. So what I want you to do is just click down here and type your answer below that, okay? And then you have what's called a close activity. This is just kind of a way to make sure we go through and read what needs to be read. You have the same reading as up top. You have a word bank. Some of the words are missing and they're in the word bank here. So now you have to go through and fill in the blanks from the word bank. Okay, and that's just you use your typing feature, your text box feature, click in it and type the word. Okay, and that's all you have for today. I want this turned in as soon as you can, but by Wednesday at the least. I'll have something else for you to work on tomorrow that's a little bit more of just input learning type thing. So try to have this done and turned in by Wednesday. And I hope you guys are doing well. And I hope to see you log in and we'll talk on Wednesday. Bye.